Welcome to Take a Leopard channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to sign into your Microsoft Teams account. So at first, just go ahead and open up your Microsoft Teams software. For that, just go to search and search for Microsoft Teams. Then from the best matches, just open up Microsoft Teams. And after you have done that, you'll be introduced to this screen. And in here, what you have to do is click on create or use another account if you already have an account signed in. Or if you don't, you'll see the option to enter your email and password to sign into your account. I'll just show that by creating or using another account. I'll just click on this. After you do that, a sign in to Microsoft dialog box will open up. In here, what you have to do is just put in your email. Just type your email over here and click on next. And after that, you will have to give your password if you didn't sign in before. And after you give your password, it will welcome you to the Teams. Just give it some time. It will load Microsoft Teams for you. And there you go. Microsoft Teams has been loaded for you. And basically that is it. And that is how to sign in to Microsoft Teams. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe.